Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Durga this side, and today I just want to say something about the self independent. How we can become self independent. So first thing is that consistent investment in self education and personal growth, right? It means that you have to work on yourself consistently. If you work on yourself for personal growth, then after some time you will get return accordingly. So you have to recognize it according to your choice what exactly you require. For example, in my case I require fluent English with confidence, so I am working on it consistently. So after sometimes we can see the result. So for that I am saying you have to focus whatever you will put on yourself, you will get result after sometimes. So you don't need to chase money, you need to focus on your career. Whatever you require, you have to uh, you have to invest money for information, knowledge, and then it will automatically, like after sometimes, you will get the result for the particular things. So we have to hunger to learn something, right? So investment, we all must have to invest the money to grow, right? So it's a most important part. As a youth, it's very difficult to do work consistently, but we have to understand, and whatever we want to do something in our life, we have to do work on it consistently, right? And every day we have to recognize it, and we have to work on improvement. And because a small progress is still progress, right? So we need to work on it consistently, then definitely it will get result, right? And also, like definitely it will take some time, definitely it will take some time, but the thing is we have to focus on progress, right? Not perfection. So whenever you work on your goal consistently, then definitely you will get the result after sometimes. So for that, consistent is main requirement, and as an initial in stage, we have to put money, knowledge, whatever we put in our mind, then definitely it will helps as a asset. See, second thing is that time, prioritizing time management and productivity. It means like you see, there are a lot of people who engage whole day, but at the end of day they don't get any productivity, they don't get any result. So in that case, there is any, do you think do whatever you done whole day, it will work? No, actually earlier also I didn't understand the value of time. Whole day I was engaged with some other work. Sometimes I talked with people, sometimes I did some extra work, but ultimately I have to focus on the productivity, like result. Because see, people always want to see result, they don't believe on the reason, right? So we have to work on the result, right? It's not for people, actually it's for us. Whatever we are doing, it will, I have to think like it will give the result, then I will invest myself in that particular thing. So for that, we have to prioritize uh, time management according to the productivity. So it's a very important thing actually. So see, it's a very difficult to understand it initially, but according to the time, whenever you waste a lot of time, some people understand it in the earlier age, but some people get very late, like me. I also understand it very late. So no issues, whatever you have. So from now, whatever you are doing, you have to think about the result, that is productivity, then you will invest the time and money in the particular thing. Third and most important thing is that building and nurturing a strong network of connections. Do you think it will work? See, actually, it helps a lot. Whenever you require any support, then you will easily reach on that particular place with for the particular person, right? So try to build genuine relationship based on trust, shared value, and mutual support, right? So it helps a lot whenever you require in terms of financial, in terms of emotional support. So it helps a lot to get self independent. And not only in self independent, if you have a true friends, true family, like some family members are very supportive, and also some friends are very supportive. So you have to understand that environment and people. If you understand then that nature, then definitely you have to make this relation will not work only in career. Actually, it will work in every stage of life. So true friends is also required. So we have to make building and nurturing a strong network accordingly. We have to understand the people nature, then we have to engage it, right? And so that's all about from my side. And whatever I try to share these points, if you get very clearly, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. That's all. See you in next video. Bye bye.